Video masa khan present tense sungchang kan soya present tense khan indefinite tense continuous tense perfect tense le perfect continuous tense te kan zir to a tunruma hian past tense kan zir vele doni present tense ang tho khan indefinite tense continuous tense perfect tense le past perfect continuous tense te a chungchu amal malin kan zir anga past tense kan ti chun hun kal to trim suina kha ani maya ama saberin past indefinite tense lo soitaila past indefinite tense su hun kal to ami trim suina kha nia abituk hunom chuang lo hun kal to ami kha antilaya sentence how he lo cheer ta ila I drank a cup of tea every morning. He told a story a bird flew tigan mua present tense ang tho khan subject verb object local chuan thil ti tu thil ti tuar tu kha anemaya verb hi present tense a khan verb hi a present form in a local tuna past tense a hi chuan past form in a local mai khami te khathak danglam ani a I drank a cup of tea every morning hanti hi chu ani na taka chuan nikum chung emo khan tuk thingpui ka in thin ti alo ni theita a he sentence every morning hanti kan soita ang khan usage of present indefinite tense a khan habitual fact akan nei kan habit ho a kha present indefinite tense in soitur ani kan tia past tense apo hin ani thein lai om tho tu na kan chin to lo ni kum vela khan tuk tin zinga ka work ta a kumina chun kalo ching to lova khanga po khan tuk tin kan tlan thin hun kal to mi a khan a thei me a tin chu ba kha ni mina ka mu che han ti te ni kuma khan ni kuma college ka som han ti ang te kha hun kal to mi shim soina kha ani top mai ni chu past indefinite tense emo simple past emo ti alo ni chuan seitang khan indefinite tense one do form keng tel kan ti kha hey what did you do enge iti did you love me seitang khan he sentence kha tak ani om lo kan ti thei chung lo khati lai khan min lo hang evm ti na te po ani thei thawanga I did not smoke he did not smoke khatiang khanin tilai hian question interrogative sentence le negative sentence a hin mun te min lo en ila what did you do hantia hian do form local kan tia khan did a local ta a chu attends siam tu hi alo ni ta ni did he did te do form kha a local to chuan he tilaya principal verb akha a form hi thak mia to lo ni soitang han have form a local chuan principal verb kha third form ani tur ani kan ti ang deuh khan ani a tin before ma local chuan present participle ing form kan ti ang kha man ani a do form ai ro hi chuan principal verb hi a form hi thak mia to lo turani ti chuan hei what did you do ti kha school ka kal kan lo ti don chuan I went to school. I saw you yesterday. I smoked khatiang kha lo ni le maya kha present past indefinite tense chu alo ni past indefinite tense kan thathiam mayang chumo simple sentence a chuan subject lo kalanga thil ti tu alo kalanga verb in lo zuya kha verb kha a second form a past form khan kan da anga chuan object khana ron zui le ang chuan past continuous tense thil ti hun kal to se thil ti lai mek sui kha ani a ngai tu chun vamak ve ti thei mai thei ma se heng hi lo in taila I was drinking water. He was reading a story. They were coming. Tui kha in mek ani thon thu alo chiara mek an lo kal mek hun kal to ami ni si kha in tin nge mek alo om the kan ti chuan nimina khan karon mulai che khan le khabui lo chiara mek ani kan ti theyang nimina mani khan kan vat lo chuan alo mu mek a han ti ang te po kha hun kal to ni si thil ti lai mek khani entinan nimina ka mu che khan homework hilo ti mek ani kan lo ti don ta ni. You were doing your homework when we visited you. Khatiang kan ron lo lai che kan ron kan lai che khan homework hilo ti mek ani khatiang deuh khan om thei don ta ni chuan hetain kan en chuan I he they subject alokala was le were alokal boka chu before mani before ma hian past continuous a chuan was le were deuh chau hi alokal ngai ani chuan soitang khan before ma local chuan principal verb hi drinking reading coming ing form ak local nge ni angaya chuta chun object a local to mai ani ti chuan kha past continuous tense salo ni hun kal to ni si a thil lo ti lai mek an kha ani kan thia mang chumo kha past continuous tense ni a subject a local anga before ma local lenga verb ing chuan object in lo zuyang I was drinking water. He was reading a story. They were coming. Tian sentence dang lo chiar le lo kila. What were you doing? Engai lo ti me ka khati lai khan ti na thlukani. He was not reading. Lo chiar mek lo. Were they coming on local make him? They were not coming. Local make lo vani an local lo vani tiang khan khang sentence kha past continuous tense ani chuna dut le a past perfect tense alo om le ta hi lo chiar le ta ila I had done my work. I had read my story. They had gone. Mary and her mother had cooked. I had done my work. Kan ha ka so di am to ti na te le ka thon thu alo chiar ve dai to ti na te an kal lian dai to Mary le anu chuan an chum so di am to kha past perfect tense ani a kan chiat angin subject a local have form hi past ni chuan had khaman top mai turani chuan a verb kha third form lo ni a object in lo zui le tamai ni ti chuan hei po hi continuous man ang kan zir khan hun kal to mi ni si lo ti zo chia kha entinan nimina rail station ka vocal ta a ka vatlen chuan rail kha kanang man lo chia a lo chuak ta chia karma sa po ni thei ni min pon thei hun kal to mi shim kha. The train had left when I reached the station. Khatiang deuh khana thei ta ni. I had done my work. A second clause lo don ta se ron pui min tum lai kha chuan ka hnak lo zo chia to. Karma sa khan na thok turin ka local ta a kon hnak lo tho zo chi khan ka thian pa kha local ve lo ta ni. Chuan ka lo thok zo ta chia khatiang kha thil to hun kal to thil to ti zo hlim hlol anga kan lo ti zo diam to ang kha ani chuan kha po kha present tense ang tho khan have present tense khan have le has kan manga past tense chun had man vek mai tur ani chiang chuma present tense have mo has mo kan man na khan past tense chun had man vek tur kha ti khan chiang mayang chu ti chuan past hello chiar le ta ila have you seen my new bike? I had never known that man. I had not read the Bible. Khatiang kha past perfect tense alo ni ta ni ti chuan adot le a chuan past perfect continuous om le ta a mun devin lo en ta ila I had been searching for my pen. It had been raining. They had been playing football for 2 hours. He had been living in London. Present tense a kan soi to a thil ti lola ti ngar lola ti reng soi na khania khami kha antinan nichin maya khan thleng khan an la nichin mei thleng khan thilan la ti ngar khati ang khani nimina khan darkar hi te meu mai chess an khela chutia ang deuh chu they had been playing chess for 2 hours yesterday khatiang khan aloni thon ta ni ti chuan subject kan hmu a present tense khan have been emo has been emo kan hmanna khan heta point had been man vek mai tur ni present tense khan confused thei chu have le has hmanna khan mai kata kha chuan kan soi chiang viau to a chuan past tense a chuan confused tur om ta chia lo had been man vek mai tur ni chuan soi ta ang khan subject local had been local le verb kha ing form in lo kal lenga chun object ti chuanin I had been searching for my pen aloni theita a pen kha zong tangar ngarani it had been raining ru kha asur chara kan han tiang te they had been playing football for 2 hours darkar hi te mai football an khel khatiang deuh khan kha past perfect continuous saloni le a chuan past ti chun kal to ti na ni perfect kha soinon le tai da perfect ani chun have form lo kal nge ma se past ani kan have past form chu had aloni a continuous aloni chuan before ma chuan simple more indefinite tense a chuan is was is te was te are te were te kha lo ni a ma se had alo have form lo kal to vain have is have was te kha a thei lo fa chu vain a before ma khan been a third form be third form ve a kha da mai turani ti chuan continuous lo chuan be before malo nga before ma phot chuan verb kha a present participle form ing form khata nge turani ti khan an man na tur po kan chiang to tura angai la ti chuan han seinon le thua kila tila indefinite form a chuan do form kan manga continuous form a chuan chu dit ani continuous form a chuan before kan manga was le were lo ni chuan perfect form a chuan perfect tense a chuan have form kan manga chu had ani khati song kha tun ma past tense kan soi the ani a present tense thiam bel chuan past tense kan thiam bel past tense kan thiam bel chuan present tense po kan thiam bel chuan future tense po a all le sat tense kan thiam chuan grammar danga po min pui vek ani chu vain tensible le tur ani khati song kha tun mata na kan video siam the te chu ani